I have to work. Like, if I didn't work, I would lack.
For Kiara Williams, working is required for her to benefit from the Supplementary Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP benefits. The other is that she attends school.
Not enough. I don't cook, so I just use it for like sandwich or something, but I don't go buy like whole food to cook.
She receives $86 a month, which equals $3 a meal.
Thank you so much.
The average SNAP benefit per meal is $1.26. With that balance, I was able to buy a box of chicken noodle soup from Walmart. In 2018, about 3,500 people in Lafayette County received SNAP benefits, which is 6% of the population. Unlike Williams, Erin Bowen doesn't meet the requirements to receive SNAP benefits, but she says she could use them.
Most of us don't have help from our parents, and we're so busy trying to put our money towards school that we kind of neglect our basic needs like food.
To Bowens, using SNAP is nothing to be ashamed of.
Just the stigma behind using those government resources, but it was just important that they understood, that it's okay.
SNAP benefits are determined by how much money is in a household, and so is college financial aid. Both are used to help students with the affordability of college, but Lord DIVEN-BROWN, Director of Financial Aid at Ole Miss, says there may be more help available.
Hearing from the students, how can we work together? How can we tell them about coming to financial aid so that we could check out options? Like, what if their family has special circumstances?
Tuition is expected to increase again next year. DIVEN-BROWN wants students to be smart about how they pay for it.
And as costs go up, we're constantly looking for all possible sources for the students. We just want students to be aware of the terms of their loans. Be a smart borrower. I know I had to take out loans when I was a student too, but you've got to be careful how much you're taking on and what can you afford to pay back later.
SNAP benefits and financial aid remain key resources for some students, but it may be worth a trip to the financial aid office to see what's out there.